I could take 42 minutes on this.
Cool.
Okay, James, you gotta jump.
Wait. Oh, I'm supposed to reach you on the other side. That's echoing.
I'll be like, you need to go through.
Mark, do coconut trees.
Coconut tree. Coconut tree. Coconut tree. Oh, no, don't do that, Mark.
One lady was like,
Oh.
but it's not like it's gonna go in her car. And I said, oh.